Facade is actually the principal front of a building that faces on a street or an open space. It is an exterior side of a building, usually the front of the building that we get to see in the hotel or in the other building that we are entering. It's a glass covering which is used on the hotel. And while we are doing the facade cleaning, we have to be careful that the building should not only be functional, it should be aesthetically pleasing as well. So that is the advantage of being in the housekeeping. Housekeeping is a department which is responsible for cleanliness, maintenance, and creating the aesthetic appeal of the hotel. Aesthetic out here means beautifying the area. So this is the reason that we need the facade cleaning services, and appearance of the building can give a significant impact on the success of business. And if the facade is neat, the building will look more hospitable to prospective client. Maybe you will attract more potential client because of the size of the building, because of the cleanliness that you maintain, because of the luster that you maintain, and it also increases the real estate value. uh, uh, the advantage of hotel being in the hotel industry is that every area is spick and span. All the areas are sparkling clean, that it is so sparkling clean that at times you are able to see your face into it, right? So we have to be very very careful when we are doing the cleaning in a hotel. So if the facade is maintained in a poor manner, it may annoy the occupants. They may feel that if this hotel is not cleaned in a proper manner from the exterior, and it may also leave a negative impact on the rental returns and building values. Maybe it will reduce the value of building if it is not cleaned in a proper manner. So while building facades are sensitive to elements such as dirt, because it is going to accumulate dirt onto it. So if these facades are not properly maintained, they can have erosion, they can have damp spots, they can have the moss deposit into it, they can have the salt deposit depending upon the climate and the of the season and the location of the hotel. It can damage the frost. It can also create pollution from the exhaust fumes. There could be an acid rain also. So it is a sensitive thing while we are doing the cleaning, and we have to be careful that dirt does not get accumulated on the surface. This is a small video of facade cleaning at the Dovely Hotel in Hong Kong, which shows us that how we have to be careful while doing the facade cleaning, how the person must be tied up with the rope, and how the facade cleaning has to be carried out in a proper manner. So we have seen this small video on facade cleaning. We have also seen the use of the squeezy that is used in the hotel, and we have also seen about some instructions on the safety, that how the safety of the human is responsible, those who have to carry out this tedious task, and they are doing it to retain their customer. And it is mentioned that our guests are not going to stay in the hotel if the exterior or the facade is not cleaned in a proper manner. And as a supervisor, you have to be careful for the safety of every person that is working in a hotel. The cleaning will happen and it will take its due process, but while they're using the cleaning equipments, while they're using the cleaning solution, while they need to use some kind of uh, trolley to put their life into the risk for carrying out the cleaning, we have to be careful that they are secured, they are tightened in a proper manner, and the cleaning solution is easily accessible to them. And if the cleaning solution is toxic, they should be wearing the gloves. We have also seen the person rubbing the face while, because they are wearing the helmet. So if they're using the helmet, might be they will sweat, and again they could be touching the eyes, they could be touching the. So it becomes very important for us to understand that the safety precautions has to be taken, and the people who are working under you, their safety is not compromised, and they understand the value of the cleanliness and maintaining the aesthetic appeal. But we must not endanger the life of anyone, because if it happens, it can create a chaos, and it will actually worsen the goodwill of the hotel. Now, not because of the cleanliness, because of the safety in the hotel, the guests would not want to come to the hotel. So these are the instructions that the supervisor must give to their to the people who are working under them. It could be the roommate, it could be the houseman, and that apart from the cleanliness, the safety is also the important criteria. And the people must be sensitized, and regular training for the new people, for the new intern, from the new people joining in, must be carried out regularly in the hotel. So this is all about the glass cleaning. I hope you have updated your knowledge, and we will